Welcome back. So this is part two of this grizzly head gasket replacement. Man, I'm gonna tell you, these things, it's a bunch of bolts that if you are not careful, you will miss. Man, it's bolts, it's a lot of hidden bolts. Something else, if you're doing this job, get you a pick or something and go inside of all of the Allen bolts. If you do not, you're gonna strip some. Those Allen bolts, they're packed with mud, but so far, man, it's going good. We got cosmetic head gaskets. The only thing I need new head bolts to be able to put this back together. Actually, if you, I've got the head off. If you look at this head right here, all of the black spots is where the head gasket was leaking. And actually, these two head bolts, this one and this one, were loose. Not extremely loose, but loose enough for me to tell the difference between the rest of them. So I'm pretty sure the head bolts were stretching out. They're really one-time use. A lot of times people reuse them, but they're not supposed to be reused. But yeah, man, this Grizzlies coming back together. We're trying to get it right. I'm actually getting ready to jump back on this Warrior. We got a Warrior outside that I'm doing a starter clutch replacement on. I'm getting ready to roll it back in here. We're ready to jump on it for a little bit while I'm waiting on boats. Well, this is it, man. I like this bike, though. I can't wait till it gets together. I want to ride it.